travel like all.
Probably easier.
How's the knee doing?
It's pretty good. It has its days. It's better. It's good. Work in progress. I'm hoping next week it feels like a little bit better than it does this week, so we'll see.
So yeah, without that trip, it'd be good to do some soft weight one more time. Because it does speed up that process. The ups and downs.
But I'm worried if I tore. Like, that's what I'm worried about.
So even if it is slightly torn, like that's where it helps.
Okay.
It's not gonna put it all the way back together,
Yeah.
but it definitely decreases the inflammation around it. Wouldn't be bad too, just to go to your ortho like, hey, did I do something to re-aggravate this? If not, then green light to just how things heal, which is very frustrating.
Yeah, I'm thinking next week that's still kind of like how it is now. Then I'm gonna have to go back and feeling a lot less tight.
Awesome.
And I'm having way more better days than I ever have. So,
That's the plus.
yeah. More good days.
It's what everyone wants.
Yeah, exactly. I'm doing exercise as you told me about at home, and I think
Good.
it's healthy.
It does. Yeah, I'd like to do that more in the office with patients because no one ever has the time outside the office. Even then, they'll forget how to do it right, so it takes longer.
If they can do it at home, it makes such a big difference to the recovery and making it so that
Like I probably said last time too, I've given a bunch of talks and stuff with people, and I'll ask them, like, which is better, stretch or exercise?
Yeah,
everyone goes stretch. I'm like, you're all wrong.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's a good way to frame it, but
It's true.
it's gonna pop right here and make a bit of a noise. Breathe out. No headaches at all today.
Exit all the way?
No headaches at all
Oh,
today.
no. No. Does it feel like I should have one?
No. I always ask.
No. Still fighting whatever the cold is, which is fun. How's your kids? Are they all better now?
Still a bit of a cough. Ellie was like hacking up a lung last night. So I'm like, all right, you're getting some Dayquil. Show her some NyQuil.
Yeah, just sling it so she can sleep.
Yeah, she'll just dry cough like all night if we don't.
And the humidifier only does so much.
Yep.
You know?
I have it right next to her, blown up. So you go on that right side.
Exercise?
Yep. Yeah, we made a video of another patient
Yeah.
that does she sells like medical equipment.
I saw it.
Yeah.
I saw it.
So in like 2 weeks that one's got like 10K views.
I loved
Holy
it. 'Cause I was like, oh my gosh, it's me.
Yeah, she sells all the equipment. And traveled like all over the place in like Illinois, Wisconsin.
What company does she work for, you know?
Don't know.
It's just, it's such, it's you're in and out of your car so much,
Yeah.
which like takes a toll on your back and everything else, really.
Yeah, she said the company was debating on like getting all the field people like Teslas or like a Subaru or a Toyota Sienna.
Really?
Yeah, I was like, get a Sienna.
Probably easier, you know?
Yeah, for like a company family car. I was like, Teslas would be cool but with how big the territory is. Right there.
Why?
I think she got a tire or something. The car shut down. She had like a Nissan Rogue or something.
I'm surprised she, I feel like Madison is like a territory we don't, because for me, from Wisconsin, Madison's like an area it's hard to get business from.
Is it?
Of UM.
Okay.
They're pretty closed off health system.
I think she's the one selling the equipment that they use. So they
probably let her in, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw the video though and I liked it because I was like, oh, medical sales girl.
Yeah. She was telling me about some like chemical spill in Kankakee. She showed up and like they were trying to use like a forklift to pick up these like flammable barrels.
Seriously?
And she's like, "Are you freaking kidding me? Are you?" And they didn't have like a hazmat plan. She's like, "Everyone needs to get across the street like now. Like if this is gonna be another like Rockford situation, if you guys don't like fix this."
Why am I not surprised though?
Yeah, right.
Kind of not surprised that would happen there. Not in the least bit.
I have a buddy who's a police officer there. He's like, "Yeah, I need to get out of here."
That's not an area I want to be a police officer in.
He was on one of those viral videos that didn't show the perpetrator swinging at the officers, but it only showed like 5 officers tackling him to the ground.
Of course.
Yeah.
There's a lot of those. That's a very rough area to be a cop. Like, it's not like it's not a nice area.
Nope.
At all.
Yeah, it was like Kankakee, Bourbonnais.
Yeah.
That area. I used to drive there all the time.
I hate driving through there.
Going to Eastern also.